How to research the possible right career for you. Today, we're going to talk about how to research possible career paths that are right for you. If you're feeling lost or unsure about what career to pursue, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. The first step in researching possible career paths is to identify your interests and skills. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Write down a list of your interests and skills on the whiteboard. Once you have your list, start researching careers that align with your interests and skills. Use online resources like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed to find job descriptions and requirements. Another great resource is informational interviews. Reach out to people who work in the careers you're interested in and ask if they would be willing to chat with you about their job. You can find people to interview on LinkedIn or through your personal network during the informational interview. Ask questions about the day-to-day responsibilities of the job, the required skills and education, and the job outlook. This will give you a better understanding of whether the career is a good fit for you. After you've researched several careers, make a pros and cons list for each one. Consider factors like salary, work-life balance, and job satisfaction, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to research possible career paths and find the one that's right for you. Thank you for watching till the end. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends and everyone who can benefit from this content. If you have not subscribed, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and helping us reach 1000 subscribers. For now, bye.